Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. I hope you all are well and fine. Today we are excited to bring you a fantastic and inclusive fashion showcase, stylish and chic plus size lady dresses. We firmly believe that fashion is for everyone regardless of size, and today we are celebrate the beauty of diversity with a stunning collection of dresses perfect for plus size ladies. So let's dive right in. Our first category is all about casual comfort because style should never compromise on comfort. We have selected a variety of loose fitting, flowy, and flattering dresses that are perfect for everyday wear. From cute printed maxi dresses to stylish wrap dresses, these pieces will you have look effortless chic. We have elegant evening wear for those special occasions when you want to dress to impress. Our collection features glamorous gowns, figure-hugging shirts, and elegant aligned dresses that accentuate curves and make you feel like a million bucks. Now let's dive into the world of trendy patterns and patterns from bold florals to classic polka dots. These dresses prove that plus size fashion can be fun, playful, and fashionable. Embrace your personality with confidence and let your outfit speak for itself. We understand that looking polished and professional is essential for the workplace. In this segment, we created a collection of office-ready dresses that are not only for stylish but also exude elegance and sophistication. Say goodbye to the dull office style. As we embrace to the sunny days, we cannot forget to include summer must-have, whether it's a breezy sundress for a beach day or a chic dress for a rooftop party. These outfits will keep you looking fresh and fashionable all summer long. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to talk about the importance of body positivity and self-confidence. No matter your size, you deserve to feel beautiful and comfortable in your own skin. Fashion is a powerful tool that can boost self-esteem and celebrate individuality. Embrace your curves, own your style, and remember that you are fabulous just the way you are. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoy this showcase of stylish and chic plus size lady dresses. If you found something you loved or have any fashion tips to share, leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inclusive fashion content. Thank you for watching, and remember, fashion is for everyone. So we believe that everybody is beautiful and we are all about promoting self-love and confidence. Our videos will inspire you to embrace your curves and rock any outfit with grace. We will review and recommend plus size dresses brands that prioritize both style and comfort. Get insight in seizing fabric quality and overall shopping experience. Your voice matters. We encourage you to comment, share your thoughts, and suggest content you would like to see. In this a community where we all curvy fashionists can contend and uplift one another. It's all about expressing your style, confident, breaking barriers, and celebrating your curves. Get ready to step into the world of fabulous fashion, one dress at a time. Thank you for joining us.